Is your workspace holding you back from being your best? Today, I'll show you how to transform your desk into a powerhouse of productivity. 1. Why an organized workspace matters. Research shows that a clutter-free space boosts focus, reduces stress, and enhances creativity. It's not just about tidying up. It's about creating an environment that works for you. 2. Quick decluttering hacks. Start with a quick declutter. Grab 2 boxes, one for items to toss and one for things you need. If you haven't used it in months, let it go. 3. Smart storage solutions. Invest in storage. Use drawer dividers, cable organizers, and wall-mounted shelves to keep your essentials in reach without crowding your desk. 4. Personalizing your space. Make your workspace inspiring. Add a personal touch, like a plant for freshness, or a picture that makes you smile. 5. Optimize for productivity. Productivity starts with comfort. Ensure your chair and desk height are ergonomic. Good lighting can also reduce eye strain. Go for natural light, or a soft desk lamp. 6. Maintenance is key. Keep your space tidy with a 5-minute rule. Spend a few minutes at the end of each day to reset your desk for tomorrow. Ready to take charge of your workspace? A few small changes can make a big impact on your focus and success. Try these tips and share your workspace transformation in the comments. Like this video. Hit the subscribe button for more productivity hacks every week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips.